This is my old shop seat. It has served me really well, but it is worn out. Got a tear in the cover here. Plastic is broken, probably from me dropping turbos on it. It broke very early on, so I had to add an aluminum brace so the wood would stop cracking. And the casters were just trash. They'd hit the smallest zip tie and get hung up. I had to add some wooden braces for the larger casters, and as you can see, this one's pretty beat up as well. I've had a lot of faithful years from this seat, but it's time for an upgrade. If you haven't done your Black Friday shopping yet, this is something you should strongly consider. The Icon adjustable shop seat with tool storage. Let's get it open. I opted for the green one, primarily because it was the only one they had in stock. They've got black, red, green, blue, and I think that's it. The green one looks pretty good though. Look at that seat. Ooh, it looks comfy. Instructions, base, and hardware. Allen wrench, magnetic trays, that's nice. And here's your cylinder. And that's it. The Allen is only for tightening the casters, but they're on there very well. This is your height adjustment. And that's all there is to the setup. At its lowest position, the bottom of the seat is 18 inches off the ground, and the backrest is about 24 inches off the ground. Highest position, about 22.5 for the seat height. Back height is about 29 inches. It's hard to weigh this thing because the backrest throws off the balance. But it's not significantly heavier than my modified rolling chair. It is, don't get me wrong, but it's also much better and much more comfortable. The base is made out of metal instead of plastic on the other one, and the two magnets on either side are definitely going to come in handy. And the base being metal means you have more lighting options as well, which again is a nice touch. The seat is a rubber material. It does feel a little bit flimsy at first, but it has a lot of give and it's actually really comfortable when you sit on it. The old one is basically a piece of plywood with felt and a pleather cover on it. So it's just like sitting on a board. This one is far better and very comfortable. If you go to Harbor Freight during their Black Friday sale, it is going for $69.99, which is a great deal compared to what it's been. So the list price on this thing is about $115, and it's on sale right now for $69.99. Out the door, it was $75.76. Absolutely worth the price if you're looking to upgrade your rolling shop seat. This one is by Icon. They make good stuff. I got no worries. The wheels are nice and big to help you roll over zip ties. So overall, super happy with it. Head down to Harbor Freight, pick you up one if you've been thinking about it, because now's the time. You're probably not going to see a deal like this for a while. Well, at least until Christmas. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, leave them down below. And as always, thanks for watching.